So then, now we come to a guided meditation for non-location experiencing, or separating from the physical body. So when you're ready, lie down, make yourself comfortable, and just take a few minutes to become quiet and prepare yourself for this meditation. So this is a meditation for separating from the physical body. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and just allow your body to relax. This meditation is best done when lying down. But make sure you remain alert and present with the experience that you are having. Just take a moment to allow your mind to become quiet. And just focus yourself on these instructions. Allow yourself to follow these instructions. And be sincere with this time that we are spending here. Be open to what it is that we are working on. And just sense your patience. Sense your allowing of the pace of the process. Allow yourself to let this experience unfold slowly. To separate from the physical body is a delicate process. It requires your attentive intention. It requires your patience. As you lie there, just take a moment, as you remain with your eyes closed, to imagine yourself slowly, very slowly, sitting up from where you are. So imagine yourself as sitting up from your position, lying on the bed. And slowly, as you sit up, notice your joints moving and the feelings in your limbs, your hands, your feet. As you imagine standing up, and just slowly, as you stand up, turn around and look at your physical body. And just notice what it looks like as it lies there. Notice how it is to stand next to your physical body as it's laying down. Look at your face and how it is with its eyes closed. Notice the clothes you are wearing. Notice the position of your hands and your feet. And now, slowly imagine yourself walking away to another position in the room. And take a few moments to just look around the room that you are in. Notice some of the furniture. Notice the different lighting. Notice some of the different objects, the personal worldly possessions that you have. And just look around as if you were seeing it for the first time. Look around as if you were with this new freshness, with this new curiosity as to what to see. You may have seen this room and experienced this room through your physical body many times. It might be that here, with this non-physical body that you are experiencing, this is the first time you have experienced this room. And make sure you remain present. If you do need to come back to your physical body, you can always do this at any time. Just remember that to enter this non-physical body again, you only need to bring your awareness back to it. And now, focus in on just one object in this room. And imagine yourself very slowly walking over to it and picking it up. Just imagine your hand slowly reaching out, your fingers touching that object, your hand clenching very softly around it, and very slowly pick it up and notice its weight. Notice how it feels in your hand. And draw it closer to your face, draw it closer to your eyes so you can really look at it. And remember to do this very slowly. The non-physical body is very delicate and very intense. It requires a lot of energy. It requires all of your concentration, all of your mental power to go into it And just continue to imagine yourself looking at this object that you're holding, very slowly rotating it, just admiring its edges, its shape, its color, sensing how it smells, how it feels, its texture. And just appreciate this object. And now, very slowly, just put that object back down where it originally was. And do this with respect and care. And now, imagine yourself just very slowly walking back over to where your physical body is laid down. And walk over very carefully, very slowly, and just stand over it again and look down to observe how it appears to you. Notice your facial expression. Notice where your hands are and your feet. Notice the clothing. Notice your breathing. And just take a moment to look at your physical body with the same reverence that you were looking at that object just a few moments ago. Really observe what it looks like. And now, just imagine yourself sitting down on your bed and slowly putting yourself back into the position that your physical body is in. So slowly sit down and then lie down. And just imagine how you are in your physical body. And just notice how you feel right now as you lie there. Notice your breathing. Notice the feeling in your hands, the feeling in your feet. And when you're ready, you can just open your eyes and come back to this normal experience. Okay, so that concludes this visualization. And this really is a preliminary visualization. We will go deeper into this. There are many forms of this. So when you're ready, we will go on to the next component of this course.